create a Turnitin assignment part 1 video, I demonstrated how to create a Turnitin assignment in Canvas and how to adjust the settings. Now I will create a page for the assignment and I will add the page to the weekly module. The first thing that you want to do is click Pages in the column on the left-hand side. Click View All Pages, click Plus Page to add a page. I've already started creating the carbon footprint assignment page, so I will click that and click Edit. I have added all of the assignment guidelines here, so you can do that. You can see that students have to take a quiz. I've linked the quiz here. Then they should answer questions, and I've included paper guidelines that include how much plagiarized text is acceptable. So if the paper contains over 5% plagiarized text, students have to rewrite the paper and re-upload it. Please answer all the questions and include a clear, detailed explanation. Click here to turn in the carbon footprint paper. So this is an active link. So you want to highlight that sentence, click the Links tab, Course Links, and you can see the assignment is here. And you can see now students just have to click this link in order to turn in the paper. I've also included additional Turnitin resources that help students submit the paper and view professor feedback. This is the embed code for a video that I want to embed on this page. So I will highlight the embed code, copy it, and I will click the 3 vertical dots, the cloud, which is the embed tab, and I will paste the embed code and submit. So you can see the video is here, uploading your paper to turn it in. So now I can delete this embed code. I also want to add information about accessing the plagiarism report. So I'm going to highlight the website, copy it, highlight this sentence, click the Links tab, External Links, and I'm going to paste that website. So now students just have to click this sentence in order to access the report. I also want to include a video about resubmitting an assignment in Turnitin. So I'm going to copy the embed code, click the 3 vertical dots, the embed tab, and paste the embed code. And you can see the video is there, so now I can delete this information. I also want to add information about viewing professor feedback, so I'm going to highlight this website, copy it, highlight this sentence, add the link there, and now students just have to click that sentence in order to view feedback. So now I'm going to save this page, and I want to add this page to the weekly module. So I'm going to click Modules. I'm going to click the plus sign, and I'm going to click, instead of assignment, page. And you can see the carbon footprint assignment page is there, and I will add the item. So now you can see this page is here. So when students click the page, you can see all of the assignment details are here. You can also add the assignment directly to the module by clicking the plus sign and clicking Assignment, Carbon Footprint Paper, and Add Item. So students can just click here in order to submit the paper. But if you do this, you have to add details or assignment guidelines in the assignment. So you can see there are no submissions. But if you go back to the assignment, you can see here, this is what we created in the previous video, edit assignment settings. So you can add the guidelines here. So there are several ways that you can add an assignment to a module. I prefer adding the guidelines, which have additional resources and links that students can click. You can also add that information here. So you can see when I go back to modules, you can see that this is the carbon footprint assignment, this is the page, and this is the paper. In the next video, I will show you how to grade a Turnitin assignment.